Hi guys, today we are going to show how to install Veteris on your iPhone or iPad. The App Store is not working, the Apple ID cannot be signed in, cannot download apps. Install Veteris to download apps. Welcome to the channel and let's get started. First, go to the Cydia app. Okay, go to sources. Edit, add, and then type the repository yzu.moe/dev. Once you add the source, go to the Electimon's Repo, all packages, and then find Veteris. Once you find Veteris, click on install. Confirm. But please note, this will also install Veteris helper. Let this complete. Once Veteris is installed, click on return to Cydia. Go to home and you will see Veteris. Click on it. And then you will be taken to the Veteris home screen. Click on categories, featured or searched. Search an app. For example, click on download button and then select the version. Please note that not all apps can be downloaded till the latest version. Thus, not all apps can be downloaded. Some apps take a longer time to download and install. Go to more queue and then see the progress. Now that WhatsApp is installed, press home and then your app appears. As we told, not all apps can be installed to the latest version. Also, you do not need an account in order to use Veteris. Only the Apple App Store requires an account. Also, some apps will fail to install. Okay, so that is for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.